My name is Odonga Otto. I'm a political philosopher and a political scientist. I am also an advocate. Today they are nominating for presidency. I have some small advice I want to give to any Ugandan. Number one, keep alive. Number two, try to keep alive. And number three, always try to keep alive. As a lawyer, I have a client who came out of Kitalia prison, and he told me there are over 200 NUP supporters in jail, not going to any court. They are locked up there. All the religious leaders are quiet. All the senior political personalities in this country are quiet. We are leaving it to Bobby Wine and Rubongoya alone. And today's nomination, I can see the level of deployment, the level of activities. The only advice I can give to any Ugandan, try to keep alive. Don't do anything that will get you killed. Change is coming. The only permanent thing that does not change in the world is change. Change is coming, and very soon. But please keep alive to tell the story. Keep alive to tell the story. When we were in parliament, we gazetted military uniforms. We gazetted police uniforms. We said a soldier shall put on a shoe, a socks. We stated the color of the uniform and the cap. We did not gazette the face mask. We did not gazette the face mask. We even added the name tag to the uniform, so that any military personnel that does an offense, you can identify with the number and name and report. But now the soldiers deployed today on Kigo Road, they are putting on masks like they are going to harvest bees, honey from the beehive. It means someone can kill you and you'll not identify him. So keep alive, please keep alive. Change is coming. Adaptability is the key to political longevity. I know some of you will say cowards die several times before they die. But also it is cowards who live to tell the tale, who live to tell the story. Keep alive, keep alive. President Museveni, his time is very soon. He has appointed the electoral commissioners. He has determined the nomination venue. You must be so naive to think what you are thinking. Keep alive. I love you. Honorable Odonga Otto.